Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a marshmallow head. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a large marshmallow, some wooden skewers, and edible food markers for decorating. Make sure your work area is clean and ready. Having everything organized will make the process much smoother. Also, prepare a stable base, perhaps a small block or a piece of fruit, to hold your marshmallow securely while you work on it. This prevents any wobbling. Now let's get to shaping and assembly. Take a wooden skewer and carefully insert it into the bottom of your large marshmallow, creating a stable neck. This will be crucial for holding your head upright. If you want to add more dimension, use a small, clean knife to gently carve out basic facial features like eye sockets or a mouth. For ears or hair, attach smaller marshmallow pieces using tiny skewer segments, ensuring they are firmly in place. Time for the fun part, decorating. Grab your edible food markers and start drawing the face. Begin with the eyes, then add a nose and a mouth. Don't be afraid to get creative with expressions. You can add finer details like eyebrows, freckles, or even rosy cheeks using different colored markers. For an extra touch of flair, consider applying edible glitter or small sprinkles to give your marshmallow head some sparkle and unique texture. Make it truly yours. To finish up, let your edible ink dry completely. This prevents smudging and ensures your marshmallow head looks its best. Once dry, carefully place your creation on a decorative stand or a nice plate for display. It makes a fantastic edible centerpiece. And hey, if you love reading and crafting, you'll want to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. Find the link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.